Come see this beautiful well-maintained home sitting on 3 gorgeous acres in West Ouachita. This home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths with open floor plan with tall cathedral ceilings. The kitchen and dining has new custom-built cabinetry with pullouts perfect for the chef in the family. The open and airy floor plan makes it perfect for everyone to socialize while cooking and entertaining on the large back deck. You will love the bright master bedroom that also opens to the back deck. Master bath has a jacuzzi tub and large walk-in shower with double sinks and walk-in closets for 2. This home is waiting for the perfect family, so call today for your private showing.